The 2025 Vauxhall Mokka combines modern design with everyday practicality, offering a driving experience that's both stylish and smart. Featuring a shark fin antenna for improved signal reception and adaptive brake lights that enhance safety by alerting vehicles behind you during sudden stops, it's ready for any journey. Step inside to enjoy the driver's seat massage function for added comfort and electronic climate control for personalized temperature management. Call or visit Hendy Vauxhall Poole today to schedule your test drive of the 2025 Vauxhall Mokka. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.